Good morning, everyone. I am Stephen Haas, head of credit trading at AmeriVet Securities. Welcome to Talking Tuesdays. Last week, the new issue calendar priced $39.938 billion, topping front-end estimates of $30 to $40 billion. Spreads on the weekend financials were unchanged to 10 basis points wider. Last week saw $3.1 billion of net client selling, led by financials, utilities, consumer staples, communications, and healthcare, while energy saw light net client buying. The bulk of net client selling was seen in the 7 to 12 year, 3 to 7 year, and 12 to 30 year maturities. This week we're expecting a massive slowdown with the Thanksgiving holiday, and new issues are expecting just $5 billion in new supply. Last week saw optimism for a vaccine as a number of headlines during the week pointed to 90 to 95% success rates for COVID-19 vaccines, but spiking COVID cases around the U.S. put a damper on that news for most of the week. So far this week, we're seeing a positive tone in the equity markets, and spreads yesterday were tighter across the board by 2 to 5 basis points. Equity futures this morning are up across the board, and that should pull all risk assets with it. Last week saw another outstanding job by the AmeriVet Securities team, as we were co-managers on a two-part $2.5 billion Goldman Sachs deal, a $2 billion 6 non-call 5 deal for Deutsche Bank, as well as a co-manager on a $1.2 billion two-part deal for Allstate. Allstate solely hired banks owned by minorities, women, or veterans for its bond sale, and the biggest corporate deal yet managed only by diverse firms. The Allstate transaction marks the first of substantial size that diverse underwriters are leading without any bulge bracket banks, according to data compiled by Bloomberg. As we begin the week, I want to wish everyone and their families a happy and healthy Thanksgiving. I am Stephen Haas. Thank you for listening to Talking Tuesdays.